Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do an experiment again. I will do just a simple flower dip that any one of you can do, and I will use Elmers School Glue as my pouring medium, 70% School Glue, 30% water, that probably anyone can get, and Vallejo Pearl medium, and these little piggy pigments mixed with Vallejo. One is Sequins and this one is Blue Eyes. And as I said, I will do just a simple dip here. So first of all, I will pour my black paint, and of course you can use skins or dip again if you like your pattern that you have. Holidays are coming, so it would be nice to do some gifts with skins, some jewelry or some coasters or whatever you want, because you can place your skin on the 3D objects too. So, and I think that I poured too much black here. This is just Amsterdam Oxide black mixed with my glue, school glue pouring medium. Okay, should do. Just to have to grab a napkin or towel. And now I will just drizzle in kind of a circle spiral shape this pearl white mixture with sequins, and I see some halo effect, so something will definitely happen, but we will see what. And some blue eyes. Maybe I shouldn't do as much of these pigments. And more. And I will add some black on top too, because I have a lot of these pigments, and I'm hoping for some nice lacing effects. We will see. Just add a little black here on top of this. So let's dip that. Down. I will gently press, not hard. And try to lift it straight up. Wow. Really nice effects. Love them. So this was a quick one. What do you say? Quick and beautiful. I didn't want to go crazy with, you know, all kind of pigments, because I didn't know if this will work or not. but obviously it's working. And here is what it's left on the plastic here. It's a ghosty looking flower. Like it. So at first I want to show you those two dried that I used, these little piggy pigments, with my pouring medium. Should have done this with flash on to show you the shimmer, but don't have flash on my camera. And this is the second one on the silver background that I used velvet and Vallejo Pearl medium, and it gives this flower really interesting shimmer. I promise that I will try to show this with the flashlight on next time, but just want to show you this first before I will take you for a close-up with the school glue. It's gorgeous too, but as I said, a lot of the times I prefer my pouring medium for this kind of pours. Now it doesn't show on camera, so let me show you the result with the school glue mixture from today, and it's a dip, not a reverse dip. So here is a close-up of this simple but gorgeous flower that anyone can do, because you need just 4 ingredients: school glue, pearl medium, these little piggy pigments, and some acrylic paint, and of course water, so it's 5 ingredients. But I'm amazed. I can't wait to try these little piggy pigments more. I will put link to the store where you can buy them in the description box. And tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. And my clock says goodbye too for today with this gorgeous sparkly flower. Bye.